pain. Don't they know we're so afraid? Isolation. We're afraid to be alone. Everybody got to have a home. In the little town, everybody trying to put us down. Isolation. The sun never disappears. We've been on every years. I don't expect you to understand after you caused so much pain. But then again, you're not to blame. You're just a human victim of the insane. Afraid of the sun.